Welcome to Hypertext and the first foldable phone that OPPO has ever launched in South Africa, the OPPO Find N2 Flip 5G. Along with being the first foldable that the company has brought to SA, it also happens to be the first in its premium Find series, pointing to more exciting and interesting flagship devices from the manufacturer in the future. For now though, we have an interesting device in its own right with the Find N2 Flip, which we'll be unboxing here today. Those with a keen eye will notice the Hasselblad branding splayed on the box of the Find N2 Flip. This is because OPPO has worked closely with the Swedish company on the camera system found on this foldable, as can be seen by the branding on the device itself. This particular model comes in the eye-catching moonlit purple color option, with an astral black variant also going on sale here in South Africa. The Find N2 Flip was launched in South Africa on 31st March and is currently on sale. You can find more details on where to purchase it from OPPO's local retail partners in the description of this video. One of the phone's defining features is the large vivid 3.26-inch cover display. OPPO explains that this above average real estate means popular applications are easily accessible without having to open up the phone. The main display, when unfolded, measures 6.8 inches and delivers a full HD plus resolution. That's not to say that the phone is delicate, however, as OPPO says the hinge on the Find N2 Flip is capable of folding up to 400,000 times, which is double the industry standard. This means the phone should be able to fold and unfold 100 times per day for 10 years. Importantly, the all-new hinge has been engineered by OPPO to yield as discreet a crease as possible. Having reviewed a number of foldables in recent years, it is certainly the least noticeable we have encountered to date. Shifting to what comes in the box, outside of the phone of course, and OPPO has included a clear plastic protective color for this premium device. It's split into two parts, slipping over the top and bottom portions of the phone to ensure it still protects while the Find N2 Flip is folded into its clamshell mode. Other accessories include a 67-watt Super VOOC charger, which powers up a sizable 4,300 mAh battery inside the Find N2 Flip. You'll also find a SIM tray tool, USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable, an additional Type-A to Type-C adapter, and the usual bevy of literature detailing the features and functions of the phone in the box. Looking at the phone once again, and on the rear, the Hasselblad camera array sees a 50 megapixel primary lens and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens taking care of most of the photography, with a 32 megapixel selfie camera up front. To find out how this foldable performs, be sure to keep an eye out for our review on htxt.co.za.